Never restore power until you have confirmed work is complete or you need to test with covers in place. When troubleshooting electrical circuits, always start by isolating the circuit and verifying de-energization with a properly rated tester that you trust and know how to use. Use a voltage tester that is rated for the system voltage and check it on a known live source before and after testing the circuit to confirm the tester is working. Keep covers and panels closed when you restore power for testing so exposed conductors are not live, and avoid working on the energized parts. If you must measure live voltages to diagnose a problem, use insulated tools and stand on an insulating surface. And keep one hand behind your back to reduce the path through your chest. When moving or disconnecting wires, keep power off, and only restore power when all connections are secure and fastened, or when you need a function test with enclosures closed. Plan each step. Use appropriate personal protective equipment for the voltage level being tested, and if anything feels uncertain, stop and get help from a qualified electrician. Common mistakes include assuming a breaker being off means the circuit is de-energized. Always verify with a tester before touching conductors and lock the breaker off if possible. Another frequent issue is testing with a faulty tester or failing to test the tester first. Always prove the tester on a known live source and recheck after use. People also restore power with covers removed to observe components. Instead, secure all covers and observe from a safe distance, or perform tests that do not expose live parts. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work for home improvement and repair projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share troubleshooting tips, ask questions, and learn from each other.